In May 2025, how are you guys? Let us make signals together. I deposited $59 and this is $59 in my account. So far, let me go to the charts. As you can see, we have this red candlestick and it was rejected, and we now have this movement upwards. Then what we need to know, I can look at the shapes of this graph on M30 and H4. So if we look at this chart here, let me show you like this. I can see that there was a simple rejection here and it was also rejected here. And we have this small resistance, but we have this big rejection at the bottom. So we still have this as our profit, but we have the potential for us to go to this level because this was also reached. So I can simply declare a buy, but let me go to H4 before I declare that one. And if we look at H4, we can see that these candlesticks show that there was a rejection and it signals us to sell, and then it moves downwards. But we have this candlestick in green with the board which is bigger than the one at the left in red. So this can also confirm a buy. So let me go to M1. This is M1 for us. M1 for us. Let me check it. You can see the board is at the top, but we also have chance of having an M here, double shoulder. So we can have an M here. So let me wait a while and then see how it goes on M1, so that I can have decision on this one. So let me wait for another candlestick to form on this M1. Let us see it. This is 1 minute. Oh, the board is now showing us it's a buy. So this is it. I'm in the ring, guys. Let us watch and see the results. I'm in the ring now. Yes, it's now Randy Orton versus John Cena. They are in the ring. It is no longer talking, but now action. It's time for action. We don't do practical things by simply talking. If we are doing practical things, we know we are supposed to do it practically. So let me put another one and see how it goes. Yes, waiting for it to give me the results. Waiting for it to give me the results. There is no need for you to panic. Trade using the fund that you are ready to lose. These lot size, they are very big, so it can move faster than what you think, because we have $4 lot size there. So there's no need for you to panic. Don't panic because of these figures. They can move up and down quickly. You can see from -7 now -2. Let us wait for it. Yes, wait for it. Waiting to see the results. Yes. We are now being destroyed by that M. The M that we talked about. Let us wait and see how it is going to show us. Is it going to reach that level, -9, we are still in the game. And then what we do, we reduce lot sizes here, and then we add more trades, and we add more trades. Yes, so that when it goes to our favor, it will be a win-win situation. It can be a win-win situation. Let us wait for it. This is how trading goes. There is need for another trade there. Yes. Let us wait for it and see the results. The results are not instant. You can wait for them. Yes, going up now. You can confirm by this candlestick. Yes, you can see. This is how we trade. Going up now. If it goes and reach the first 2 trades, then my profit will be the last 2 trades, which are at the bottom. These ones. Now, let us see it. Let us wait for it. From -14. Now we are here. I think we need another trade here. Yes. Oh, it opened at the top. But let us wait. I wanted it at this point. Just wait for it. Live trading with Ironman. Ironman live trading. Yes. It will take its direction soon. And then we can see how it goes. This is V151S. Live trading, live account. $59 was deposited on this zero spread account. They charge commissions. They charge commissions. After closing these trades, you can see commissions. So this is it, guys. Live trading. Ironman from Ironman Forex. Ironman versus V151S. Let us see its direction of movement. We need to add another one. Oh, it moves. It must go down so that I can add another one. If it is going up, there's no need for me to add. I'm supposed to add when it goes downwards. This is it now. -$3. There's no need for you to panic. Do not panic. You can see now I'm making money now. This is how I make money. You can see it. Let us allow it to do what it is thinking. It is going down again. When it goes above these 2 trades, then I close. I want to close them all in profit. This is how I make money. This is how